think of driving your XL for the first time?
I love it.
Huh?
I love it.
I don't like that new setup in the clutch though.
I don't either.
I'm gonna go back to what I normally do.
It don't want to like.
It's too much power for you.
Well, not
a lot.
even that. It just. I don't know.
Well, that and I don't like the high RPMs. I just wanted to try something different and it didn't work. That's called testing and tuning.
Yep.
Yep. So we'll go back to doing that. The ride's smooth.
I love the smoothness of the ride.
It's so smooth.
It is.
I still want Elka's though.
I do too.
You do too? Even though it's very smooth.
It is.
Very
surprisingly.
Why are you speeding through the park?
Huh?
You're speeding through the park.
Well, I better
Too much
slow
power. The RPMs are right where I want them in cruising, but they're a little bit too high with that setup we got. I don't like that. That's a new setup. I'm not going to do it. I don't like it already.
No, I don't like it.
I'm going back to what I normally do.
Yep.
But it does handle these 30s real nice.
It does. It drives really nice.
Yeah. We're going to go up here and get some pictures of this baby, huh? What do you boys think?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Does it drive good?
Yeah.
Real good?
Yeah.
Sweet! Yeah! Got the XL out here. First drive, street legal. Yep, it's actually street legal. Hey, geez, whoa! I don't have my seatbelt on. Woohoo! Dang. Now let's get some pictures of this baby. All right, just got back for our first joyride in this beast. I have to say, Laura, it rides smooth.
It's smooth.
Oh my gosh.
I can't believe how smooth it is.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
It's amazing. That's stock that it comes like that.
Yes. It's crazy. It's got a ton of power too. Well, you know, I did change the clutch kit. And I experimented a little bit. And I went a way that I'm not going to go because I don't like it.
Yeah, no.
It's, no. Too much power. And the thing is, you're rolling about 28, 29, 30 mile an hour and you punch it, it
goes.
It moves.
Yeah.
It does go. That's cool. How do you like that? That would be a good trail riding setup for sure, but not the road like we do for sure. And we'll just keep experimenting, won't we?
Sounds good.
I like to make more kits than what I have.
Oh, yeah.
You got to keep everybody guessing, so when they get your stuff to try and copy you,
Yeah, something new then.
they're farther behind you.
Yep.
Yep. Oh, man. Yeah, we did get a little bit of snow. It's raining now, and we wanted to go for a drive. So, guys, that is it for this video. We just wanted to get this thing out and into the wild and kind of give it a feel for what it does. And, my gosh, it's so smooth. I'm like, I've never ridden in a CFMOTO stock that was
so smooth like that.
Smooth, yeah. You didn't even feel none of them potholes on the road.
Nothing.
Nothing. It was crazy. Guys, thank you for stopping in and watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out and God bless.